Hey everyone, hi, hello, welcome to this session, Unacademy, and welcome to this channel, Unacademy ICSE and ISC YouTube channel. So, today we are going to have a discussion on the specimen question paper of chemistry for class 10. Okay, so the sample question paper has been released by your ICSE board, and so we are going to solve that sample paper only. So today's session is going to be very important as well as very informative for you because you are going to know that which type of questions will be asked because the sample question paper contains the types of questions which will be asked in your main exam. Okay, so this is Manisha, your class 10 chemistry educator, and these are my credentials. So all of you must be knowing me. So you can join my Telegram channel, the link of which I have given here. You can join this channel for all the homework and class notes in PDF format. Also, you can join this Telegram channel of Unacademy ICSE and ISC board, where you will receive all the important notifications, your important latest news, everything you will receive on this channel. So do join this channel. Okay. So Unacademy free special classes are there where you can connect with me and can get benefited from all the free classes that are ongoing on the Unacademy app. So through free special classes, you can have like real time interaction using the chat and emojis. You can ask questions using the question tab. You can have live poll options for the quiz, poll leaderboard where you can compete with your friends. So many features are there where you can absolutely join the classes for free. Just you have to do that. You have to download the Unacademy app, follow the instructions, log on to the app, and use my code Manisha Live to unlock all my special free classes. And for you can search by my name Manisha Kumari on Unacademy app where you can follow me as well. Okay, so special class timetable I would like to share with all of you. So for class 10 we have classes from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening. So tomorrow we will have a one shot revision session on nitric acid. Then on 25th we will have a pole war on nitric acid, and then on 27th we will have a one shot revision on ammonia. Okay, so if you want to have a like more personalized feeling, if you want to means get all your doubts solved, everything means every problem sorted out related to your academics, you can have your Unacademy subscription. So with this, you can learn live from the comfort of your home. You can have unlimited access to all the courses. Top educators of India taking the classes over here. Regular doubt solving sessions are there. Exhaustive coverage of syllabus is there. Mentorship and guidance will be provided to you. You will get study material in PDF format, practice test, live test series, and so much thing. Okay, you can imagine with single subscription you're getting so many benefits, everything on one single platform. Unacademy Plus subscription is available at very affordable prices. If you take like subscription for class 10, you get 11 and 12 for absolutely free. And we have subscriptions starting from 3 to 36 months. You can go for any period of time. But for according to me, you should take at least for 12 months, which will give you the maximum benefit. And if you use my code Manisha Live, you get 10% discount on your subscribed amount. Okay, as well as if you take 12 months subscription, you get 2 months extra, that is extension you will be getting. This is valid only for the first 500 subscribers. Okay, so I hope I am clearly audible and visible to everyone in the class. Yes, and once you are in the class, keep liking the session, share the session with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the session. Everyone, please let me know if I am clearly visible and audible. Yes. Okay, hello Vishal, welcome to the session. So let's start now. Okay, so this is the sample specimen question which is released by your ICSE board. So this is a maximum of 40 marks question paper and time allowed is 1.5 hours. So you have to attempt all the questions from section A and any 3 questions you can attempt from section B. Okay. So the section A is very easy. Okay. And you should attempt every question from section A. Clear? So tell me fast if the question paper is clearly visible to you everyone. Is it clearly visible to everyone? Let's try to answer section A. And here you have to attempt every question, all question. Okay, these are very easy questions. All are optional type questions. So you are just getting marks over here. You have to give a very less means you have to give a means keywords you have to write here. No beating behind the bush. Okay, either you know the answer or don't know the answer. So please do not leave this section. Chalo, let's start with the first question. The IUPAC name of ethylene is. What is the IUPAC name of the ethylene? Anyone? Propane, propine, ethene, ethine. What is the IUPAC name of ethylene? Please let me know once if you know the answer. Everyone, please try to answer this question. Very good, Vishal. So well done. Yes, of course, it is ethene. Okay. So the IUPAC name of ethylene is ethene. Let me write it for you. So here I am just writing the question. So IUPAC name of ethylene has been asked. So IUPAC name of ethylene is, all of you know this, ethene. Okay. And some more question related to this, let me share with you. So like for ethyne, ethyne is the IUPAC name of acetylene. Okay. Acetylene का IUPAC name ethyne होता है. Clear? And if you want to write the like IUPAC name of propylene, ओके प्रोपिलीन का आईयूपीएसी नेम होता है प्रोपीन. क्लियर? एंड द आईयूपीएसी नेम ऑफ योर, लेट्स से you want to write the propine's IUPAC name. So what is that? That is methyl acetylene. Okay, methyl acetylene. Clear? So all these are very famous compound whose IUPAC as well as common names you must be knowing. That's why I shared with you all. Okay. So first question is was asking propane, propine, ethene, ethyne. So correct answer is of course ethene. IUPAC name of ethylene is ethene. Now second question. Second question is asking carbon to carbon double bond is found in, okay, 2-butylene, acetaldehyde, acetic acid or ethyl alcohol. You find carbon to carbon double bond in which of the following compounds? Please try to answer everyone. Yeah? Is it 2-butylene? Is it acetaldehyde? Is it acetic acid or ethyl alcohol? So, yeah, everyone try to answer it. Very good, Vishal. Yes, of course, absolutely correct. It is 2-butylene. Okay. So let me show you the compound here. So this is your butylene. Butylene is the common name for butane. All of you must know this. Okay. Butylene is the common name of butane. Butane is the IUPAC name and butylene is the common name of the same compound. Is it clear, everyone? So in the question it is given 2-butylene. 2-butylene means the double bond is at second position. Okay. So this is the structure of your 2-butylene. Clear? So you can write it in the IUPAC format but2ene or common name will be your 2-butylene. 2-butylene. Clear, everyone? So the next other options were your acetaldehyde, acetic acid or ethyl alcohol. Yes. So acetaldehyde का क्या होगा? What will be the structure for acetaldehyde? So structure for acetaldehyde is this. This is the structure of acetaldehyde. So you will say, ma'am, यहाँ भी तो double bond है, but your double bond is not between your carbon atoms. Yeah, your double bond is between your carbon and oxygen, which is not acceptable because it is asked in the question carbon to carbon double bond. So this is known as ethanol also. Acetaldehyde is the common name for ethanol. Acetic acid is this. This is your acetic acid. Okay, this is your acetic acid. And then the fourth option was your ethyl alcohol. So let me draw the structure of that also. This is your ethyl alcohol. And once more thing, acetic acid is the common name of your ethanoic acid. Clear? So acetic acid is the common name of ethanoic acid and ethyl alcohol is the common name for alcohol. So let me show you the structures. Yeah, everyone can see it. This is your acetaldehyde or ethanol you can call. Okay, and this is your acetic acid and this is your ethyl alcohol. Okay, I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to our okay. So let's move on to our Next question. Okay, before proceeding to, let me mark. Next question is, so there were two. Yes, sure. KY ultimate 1 methyl pentane. Sure. Okay, 1 methyl pentane you are asking. No, that is not possible. How can you draw 1 methyl pentane? Because 1 methyl pentane is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's say this is the case over here. Yeah, 2 is there, 2 is there, 2, 2, 3. Yeah, this is your 1 methyl pentane, which is not possible. Okay, methyl, that is your alkyl group, cannot be at first position. How can it be? Otherwise, it will not be your 1 methyl pentane, it will be simply your hexane. Clear? It will be simply your hexane. 1 methyl pentane is not possible actually. You can draw like 2 methyl pentane, 3 methyl pentane, that is possible. But 1 methyl pentane is not possible because you cannot draw alkyl groups at the corner carbon atoms, because that will again be counted in the main carbon chain, parent carbon chain. That will not be your substituent. Is it clear? KY ultimate, please tell me if it is clear to you. Yeah? So this 1 methyl pentane is not possible. Okay, 1 methyl pentane can never exist because your alkyl groups cannot be at the end of the carbon chain. Clear? Yeah, 1 methyl pentane is hexane only. That's what I am telling you. 1 methyl pentane means what? That at first position you have methyl group. Okay. So if you are writing at first position methyl group, then that carbon will also be included in the main chain. That means that 1 methyl pentane is nothing but your hexane only. Clear? So there is nothing like 1 methyl pentane. Is it clear? KY ultimate, please let me know once. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Chalo. So let's go on to our next question. So we have solved here two questions. Yeah. And now it is time to solve our third question. Let's try to answer it, everyone. Fused alumina is reduced to aluminium by electrolytic reduction, since alumina is highly stable. Okay, KY ultimate, I am just coming to your question. If there are two double bonds in organic compounds, then how it is named? If two double bonds are there, then it will diene. Okay. Two double bonds means exactly two double bonds are there, so it will be diene in the suffix. Okay. Suffix mein diene ho jayega. Because whenever you have two or three same species, you use prefixes like di, tri, tetra and all. Okay. Di is used for two, tri is used for three, tetra is used for four, and so on. Example you want. Okay, okay, this is the, just try, okay, just let me show you. For example, this compound you have, okay, so here two bond, so here two hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, one hydrogen, three hydrogen. So this case you have 1 2 3 4 5 carbons, no prefixes because no substituent, so pent. At, if you want to means like number it, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5. So at first position and third position we have the double bonds, so it will be pent 1 comma 3 diene. This is the example of any organic compound containing two double bonds. Okay, clear? Okay, let's now proceed to the sample question paper. So I hope every doubt is clear here. So let's try to answer this question. Fused alumina is reduced to aluminium by electrolytic reduction, since alumina is highly stable, alumina is least stable, alumina is not reduced by drying agents, alumina is not reduced by reducing agent. So why your fused alumina is reduced to aluminium by electrolytic reduction? What is the reason for that? Please let me know the answer if you know it. Yeah, everyone, try to answer this question. Fourth option. Very good, KY ultimate. Yeah, this is the fourth option, option number D. Alumina is not reduced by reducing agents. Normal reducing agents cannot reduce your alumina, due to which your alumina is reduced by electrolytic reduction. Okay, so option number D is the correct one. Very good. Now, the catalyst that is preferred in the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. So in contact process, that is the industrial manufacturing of your sulfuric acid, there in the second step we do the catalytic oxidation of sulfur dioxide to convert it to sulfur trioxide. Which is the catalyst preferred over here? Finely divided iron, graphite, vanadium pentoxide or platinum. Okay. Which one will be the correct answer over here? Please try to answer it. Okay, very good, Vishal. Yes, option number C is the correct answer. That is vanadium pentaoxide. If there is double and triple bond together, then how it is named? So your double and triple bond both will be written. Let me show you an example for that. Okay. Just see. If you have this type of compound, let's say this is your compound which has double bond also and which has your, let's say, triple bond also. Here we have triple bond and here we have double bond. So one hydrogen, no hydrogens, two hydrogens, one hydrogen and three hydrogen. So in this case you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. Now no substituent, so no prefix, directly come to the root word. So hex is the root word that will be used here for this carbon compound. Let's start numbering it. So you can see if you number it from left hand side, you get the triple bond at first position. And if you start numbering it from right hand side, you get the double bond at second position. So we will number it from left hand side because we want to give the lowest preference to our bonds. Okay. So it will be first and fourth. So the correct name is hex, hex 4 in and 1 ine. Okay, now E and Y cannot be together, so E has to be omitted. And first position is also not necessary to mention. So you can write it like this also, hex 4 in ine. This is the correct name of this particular compound. Clear? Is it clear, KY Ultimate? Please let me know once if it is clear to you. Yeah? Okay. So let's go back to our question which we were telling. So here it will be option number D. And here option number, okay. So let's try to answer this question, everyone. All of you please try to answer it. The catalyst preferred in the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. Okay, KY Ultimate, I will come to your question. First let me finish these questions over here. Okay. So see, what is written over here, that your vanadium pentaoxide is the catalyst preferred in the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide. Why it is preferred? Because platinum is very costly. चलो costly है, एक बार के लिए लगा दिया फिर process होते रहे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But the thing is that there are impurities of arsenic present in the sulfur dioxide, that which can easily poison your platinum, which is a very expensive catalyst. Okay. That's why we do not use platinum. We generally prefer vanadium pentaoxide, which is much cheaper than your platinum. Clear? Yeah, very good, Rahul. Yes, of course, absolutely correct. Now, let's come to the KY Ultimate's question, which he is asking or she is asking. Double and triple bond, which is given preference. See, KY Ultimate. Your double and triple bond both have the same preference. Okay? Double and triple bond have same preference. Okay, so we always try to name the compound from that side from where your bonds will get the lowest position. Okay, but now let's take one example over here. Okay, let's take an example over here. Let me erase this thing and let me give you the example over here to explain that sometimes your double bond will have more preference than your triple bond. Okay, what is that case? For example, you have this compound where you can see you have double bond here and triple bond this side. So one hydrogen, here you have two hydrogens, here one hydrogen, here two hydrogen. Now tell me fast everyone, from which side should we start the numbering? From which side should we start the numbering? If you number it from, let's say, left hand side, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we are getting our bonds at 1 and 4th position. Yes? No, that's what I'm telling KY Ultimate. You are giving the wrong answer. Left is not the correct answer. Okay? So now let's try to number it from right hand side. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you have your bonds at 1, 4th position. मीन्स जब आप नंबर कर रहे हो किसी भी साइड से तो आपको बॉन्ड्स सिमिलर पोजीशन में मिल रहे हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से भी 1,4 पे ही मिल रहा है एंड राइट हैंड साइड से भी 1,4 पे ही मिल रहा है. देन इन दिस केस क्या दोनों साइड से नंबरिंग करना सही है? इज इट करेक्ट टू डू द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम ईदर साइड? नो, यू कैन नॉट हैव IUPAC नेम मोर देन 1. कोई भी कंपाउंड का एक से ज्यादा IUPAC नेम नहीं हो सकता. या सो if we want to choose the correct naming numbering, this is the correct one. Why this is correct? Because your double bond start with the alphabet E, and for triple bond you have the suffix which starts with the alphabet Y. So if you do the numbering alphabetically, your double bond should be given more preference to the triple bond. So in this case, the correct name of this compound is pent 1-ene. Okay, 1-ene. And then at 4th position we have ine. So 1-ene, 4-ine. I told you whenever these two vowels like A, E, I, O, U, Y, these two letters, if they come together, we need to omit the first letter. So the correct name will be, you can omit the first position as well. So you can write the name as such, pentene, okay, 4-ine. This is the correct name of this compound, pentene 4-ine. Very sorry for the E over here. So it will be pentene 4-ine. Yeah, clear everyone? Is it clear? I hope it is clear. Let's come back to the topic. So I was just asking the other question, which is 5th question. Substitution reaction is a characteristic property of which compound? Alcohols, alkanes, alkenes or alkynes. Your substitution reaction is shown by which of the following organic compound? Please let me know if you know the answer. Everyone, please try to answer this question. Your substitution reactions are given by which of the following organic compound? Very good, Vishal. Very good, Rahul. Very good, KY Ultimate. Very good, everyone. Yes, of course, this is given by your alkanes. Alkanes are generally least reactive, so they participate in the substitution reaction. Now, next question. Very good, Nitika. Next question. The gas evolved when your dilute sulfuric acid reacts with iron sulfide. So, when your dilute sulfuric acid is reacting with iron sulfide, which gas is evolved over here? Sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide or nitrogen dioxide? Very good, KY Ultimate and Rahul. Very good, everyone. So yes, I think everybody is enjoying the session and understanding everything whatever I'm teaching in the session. So please do share this session with your friends as well, okay, so that they can also participate in this session. Now, which acid is obtained from concentrated nitric acid on reaction with sulfur? If you react your sulfur with concentrated nitric acid, which acid you will obtain? Carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid. Please let me know. Yes, everyone, please let me know the answer. Which acid you will obtain from? Very good, KY Ultimate. Yes, it's sulfuric acid. Okay, of course it is sulfuric acid. So let me write the correct answers here. It will be alkanes over here. Here it is hydrogen sulfide. Let me show you the reaction. So when your iron sulfide will react with your dilute H2SO4, what is formed? Your ferrous sulfate is formed and your hydrogen sulfide gas is formed over here. Clear? And then we have your acid obtained when concentrated nitric acid. So sulfur, when it reacts with your concentrated nitric acid, it forms your sulfuric acid and water and your nitrogen dioxide gas. So if you want to balance it, the balancing will be this one. Yeah. So this is the lab preparation of your sulfuric acid. Lab preparation of sulfuric acid. Clear, everyone? So here your correct answer is sulfuric acid, option number B. Yes, very good, Rahul. So I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's go to our next question. The hydroxide which is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide is zinc hydroxide, lead hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide or ferrous hydroxide. Which hydroxide is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide? Yeah, everyone try to answer this question. Ma'am, yeah. Yes, KY Ultimate, alphabetical order is the only reason where your double bonds are given more preference than your triple bonds. Otherwise, yes, when numbering are same from both sides. Otherwise, your double bond and triple bond have same priority order. They do not have like more priority किसको देंगे, less किसको देंगे. Double और triple bond का दोनों का same priority होता है. Only the thing is that in case when you have similar numbering from each side, only in that case you will be numbering the means giving the preference more to this double bond. Clear? Yes. Try to answer this question, everyone. The hydroxide which is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Okay, everyone, try to solve it. Yeah. Which one is more soluble in this ammonium hydroxide? Anyone? Okay. So, okay, KY ultimate. Okay. Lead. No, 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 no. Lead hydroxide is not soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Yes, Rahul and Vishal, absolutely correct. It is zinc hydroxide. Okay. Zinc hydroxide is the correct hydroxide which is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Let me show you the reaction for this. So, your zinc hydroxide is the correct one. So, what happens? Your zinc hydroxide, if you means put more NH4OH, okay, if you put excess of ammonium hydroxide to this, so what happens? Along with this, your ammonium sulfate is also there. So for example, your zinc sulfate has reacted with your ammonium hydroxide to produce your zinc hydroxide along with your ammonium sulfate. So all of you know this, that your zinc hydroxide is a white gelatinous precipitate. Yes, if you like put more ammonium hydroxide to this solution, your zinc hydroxide will form a complex compound, that is your tetraamine zinc 2 sulfate. Okay, tetraamine zinc 2 sulfate will be formed, which is purely soluble in the solution. It is a colorless solution you will obtain over here, and water will also be formed. Clear? No, no, KY Ultimate, I am not telling you that ammonium sulfate is also there. I am just telling you that a reaction is taking place between your zinc sulfate and ammonium hydroxide. So, there it is forming zinc hydroxide, which is formed as a white gelatinous precipitate. Okay. Now, if you take only zinc hydroxide also, it will also get dissolved in ammonium hydroxide. I am just showing you the complete reaction over here. Clear? It is not like that your ammonium sulfate should be present over here. Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know once if it is clear to you. Yeah, hydroxide is not soluble in your lead hydroxide is not soluble in your ammonium hydroxide. Clear? And magnesium hydroxide is also not soluble in your ammonium hydroxide. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know once. Yeah. So I'm just not telling you that ammonium sulfate should also be there. This will also be the reaction. Zinc hydroxide plus NH4OH. So KY ultimate, you just asked this question. So I'm just drawing it. So Zn NH3 4 OH whole twice plus H2O. This is your tetraamine zinc hydroxide. Okay, this is formed over here in case when your zinc hydroxide is soluble in ammonium hydroxide. पीयूष जल्दी होंगे 9th के सैंपल पेपर. ओके, मैं जल्दी लेकर आऊंगी. ओके, so today I am just doing the sample paper of class 10. After this, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we will have your class 9 sample paper. I will tell you the exact date on the Telegram channel itself. Okay. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. KY Ultimate, please let me know if your doubt is cleared over here. Yeah, why we are keeping this ammonium sulfate, if it is clear to you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Piyush. Now, let me show you that your your ferrous hydroxide is not soluble in your excess of ammonium hydroxide. Okay. KY Ultimate, we are having a revision series for your chemistry chapters for ICSE class 10. I have already done your under study of compounds. I have already done your sulfuric acid, your ammonia, your HCl. Only nitric acid is left out. In your organic compounds also I have done the IUPAC nomenclature and your entire organic chemistry. And metallurgy maybe aluminium extraction and your process of extracting the metal from the ore, this is also we have done. Okay, so maximum revision series is over. We will again have a 45-day crash course before your board exam, so don't worry, we will again have this crash course on this channel. Okay, so you can attend those channels if you have missed the earlier lectures. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Please let me know so that I can proceed to the next question. Yeah. Okay, let me give you the next question. This is the means reaction taking place between your zinc hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. Okay. Now, chemical name of the principal ore of aluminium. What is the chemical name of the principal ore of aluminium? Sodium aluminium fluoride, aluminium oxide, hydrated aluminium fluoride, or hydrated aluminium oxide. What is the correct name over here? Please try to answer this question. Yes, everyone. So please do not forget to like the session and share it with your friends so that maximum students can join us on this platform. Okay. Is my video lagging, everyone? Let me know once. Is my video lagging? Means is it stopping in the middle? Tell me fast those who are in the class. क्या मेरी वीडियो लैग कर रही है? मीन्स बीच में रुक कर वीडियोस आ रहे हैं क्या? Tell me fast, everyone. Okay. So anybody is going to answer this question or should I tell? Okay, okay, Rahul. Thank you so much. Okay. Now you have to tell me the chemical name of the principal ore of aluminium. What is the chemical name of principal ore of aluminium? Tell me fast. Is it sodium aluminium fluoride? Is it aluminium oxide? Is it hydrated aluminium fluoride? Or is it hydrated aluminium oxide? Tell me fast, everyone. What is the correct answer? Very good, Vishal. Yes, of course, it is option number D. So, hydrated aluminium oxide is the correct. Yeah, very good, Rahul. Chemical name of the principal ore of aluminium. Let me show you this. Okay, Nitika, thank you so much. Chalo, let me show you this. Correct answer is here. Hydrated aluminium oxide. So bauxite ore's formula is Al2O3 dot 2H2O. So here water molecules are attached to this aluminium oxide. So it will be hydrated aluminium oxide. This is known as bauxite. Okay. Now next question is hydrocarbon, which is a greenhouse gas. Which hydrocarbon is a greenhouse gas? Acetylene, ethylene, ethane or methane? Which hydrocarbon is a greenhouse gas? Everyone please let me know. Very good, Vishal. Yes, of course, absolutely correct. So all of you please try to answer it. Okay. Okay, Rahul, very good. Yes, of course. Yes, Himanshu, very good. Option number D is the correct answer. That is your methane. Okay. Methane is the correct answer over here. So let me do it. So your section A is complete. Now let's start with section B. So your section A is consisting of 10 optional questions. So you need to attempt these questions and you need to have you need to be very thorough with your concepts, because you can see the questions are asked from very easy questions are there. So if you are thorough with your concept, you can simply answer them and get your marks. Okay. Now, next is your section B. Let's start with our section B, which is your subjective type questions are there. Okay, you have to attempt any 3 questions from this section. So, let's start with the questions. Okay, Nitika. So, first of all, you have to define catenation. So, what is catenation, everyone? Can anyone tell me in the comment section what is catenation? Yeah? And next is your alloy. So let us define it. Okay. So catenation is the bonding of atoms of the same element into a series called chain. This is called catenation. This is the proper definition of catenation. Let me write it for you. Catenation means bonding of atoms of the same element into a series called chain. This is your catenation, or you can define it like this also, that is self-linking property to form very long chains. And examples, for examples, you can write like carbon. Carbon shows a very high amount of catenation. Okay, carbon shows your catenation. That means carbon can form infinitely long chains by self-linking it with the other carbon atoms. Yeah. Yes, Himanshu. You need to do the practical, chapter 13 practical chemistry, because you can see the observation based question. Okay, the question that is asked from here, that the hydroxide soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. This is from your that practical question only. Analytical chemistry means every practical thing you have to study from there, and this in this when we go further in the question paper, you will see many observation based questions are asked, and observation based questions are asked from that part only, that your chapter 13 practical chemistry. Okay, so you need to have a very thorough revision of that part also. Clear? Yeah, very okay, Himanshu, very good. Alloy is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals with a non-metal or a metal. Very good, very good. So alloy is nothing but a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more metals, or of 1 or more metals with the non-metals. Yeah. So examples are like brass. Brass is an example of alloy, which is an alloy of copper and zinc. Yeah. So you need to give the examples also, and you can see these are all 1 marks question. So you need to use the keywords over here. Okay. So brass is the alloy of your copper and zinc. Clear? I hope it is clear to everyone and no doubts are there. Now let's try to name the compound which is formed when ethene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. Which compound is formed when your ethene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst? Yes, very good, Himanshu. Yes, alloy of aluminium is duralumin. That is also very good example. Yeah. So please let me know the answer. You have to name the compound which is formed when ethene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. Yeah. Very good, Rahul. Yes, of course. Very good. Uh, it is ethane. Okay. This is your catalytic hydrogenation of your alkene. Okay. So catalytic hydrogenation of alkene produces alkanes. Clear? So if you take ethene and if we react it with your hydrogen with in the presence of nickel, that is a catalyst, at 200 degrees Celsius, it will produce your alkane, which is your ethane. Yeah, this is your hydrogenation of alkenes, and this is a type of addition reaction, everyone. Okay, this is a type of addition reaction where hydrogen is being added to your alkene group. Yes, Rahul, very good. Nickel you can use with 200 degrees Celsius temperature, or you can use catalyst like platinum or palladium at ordinary temperature, because these are very strong catalyst and you don't need to put so much of heat energy to it. At ordinary temperatures only this catalyst will do their job. Okay. Yeah, very good, Aman. Yeah. Yes, Aman, specimen paper. Yes, Himanshu. That thing is that, but आप लोगों को एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, so we need to take the session so that nothing is missed out. अच्छा, कोई भी चीज मिस आउट नहीं होना चाहिए. हर चीज का रिवीजन जरूरी है. Yeah, that's why we are doing such a hard labor. And I will suggest you to means you should attend every class that is ongoing on this platform, and do ask your doubts in the live sessions, okay? So that no doubt should be there when you enter your examination hall. Yes, Aman, syllabus cover करना है. Yeah. सही बोला आपने, सिलेबस कवर करना है, इसीलिए इतने सारे सेशंस लेने पड़ेंगे. बट सो थैंक यू सो मच बच्चा, एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग सो सपोर्टिव, एंड आई होप यू आर लाइकिंग द सेशंस which I am bringing for all of you. Yeah, if you want any type of improvement, you can tell me. Okay, so yeah, so let's start now. So the first answer is ethane, absolutely correct. Name the compound which is formed when your bauxite reacts with sodium hydroxide. Which compound is formed when your bauxite is reacting with sodium hydroxide? Yeah, everyone please try to answer this question. सी इतना बोलना सही में बहुत थकान वाली चीज होती है, बट येस, वी आर डूइंग द हार्ड लेबर, एंड वी टीचर्स एक्सपेक्ट यू ऑल्सो टू डू योर पार्ट, सो दैट देर कोई गुंजाइश ना हो, कोई डाउट की जगह ना हो. एवरीथिंग गेट्स कंप्लीटेड, एवरीथिंग गेट्स रिजॉल्व बिफोर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. या very good, Aman. Okay, no, not very good. Not very good, Aman. Not here. You are not giving the correct answer. Bauxite is reacting with sodium hydroxide. Aman, I don't think so कि एग्जाम कैंसिल होंगे, because already the COVID cases are going down, and there is no such news like your exam is getting cancelled. And ICSE board has released this means tentative dates for your exam also, that is your last week of April, and it has told the schools also to conduct the pre-board once your syllabus is completed. So I don't think so that it will be get cancelled. Okay. So see over here, please try to answer this everyone. बॉक्साइड जब रिएक्ट करेगा सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के साथ तो क्या बनेगा? व्हाट विल बी फॉर्म्ड ओवर हियर? जल्दी बताओ भाई, सबको जल्दी सबको जल्दी बताओ क्या बनेगा. बॉक्साइट इज रिएक्टिंग विथ योर एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, सॉरी, बॉक्साइट इज रिएक्टिंग विथ योर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. So let me give you the answer over here. So bauxite is this Al2O3.2H2O. This is your bauxite. When it is reacting with your concentrated sodium hydroxide. Okay. What is happening over here at 140 degrees Celsius? Your sodium meta-aluminate is formed and your water is formed. Okay. So क्या बनेगा यहाँ पर? Sodium meta-aluminate and water. Clear? और इस तरह से हम इम्प्योरिटीज को बॉक्साइड से अलग कर सकते हैं बाय डिसॉल्विंग इट इन द सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो दिस इज द आंसर ओवर हियर. सो इन दिस केस योर सोडियम मेटा एल्यूमिनेट इज फॉर्म्ड. Okay, sodium meta aluminate along with your water. And in this case your ethane is formed. Okay. Now I hope it is clear to everyone. Now you have to draw the structural diagram of propanol, ethanoic acid and 1,2 dichloroethane. So IUPAC में I have already taught you how to draw the structure. I hope all of you remember. Yes or no? सबको याद है कैसे structure को draw करना है with the name given in the question? I hope everyone is paying attention in the class. मजा आ रहा है सबको? Questions ऐसे sample paper solve करके it will not only boost your confidence level but also means tell you what type of questions are asked, which part is to be prepared more thoroughly. Yeah. Okay, Ashlesha. Okay, Rahul. Very good. Thank you so much, everyone. So let's try to draw the structural diagram of propanol. Okay, let's try to draw it. So we are trying to draw the structure of propanol. Let's draw that. So I told you in the IUPAC session that first of all you need to see the root word. root word को देखो पहले. So यहाँ पे क्या है आपका root word? What is your root word? It is prop. Prop है यहाँ पे root word. So जब भी आपको prop दिख जाए as a root word, you have to understand quickly कि क्या होगा यहाँ पर. 3 कार्बन एटम्स होंगे. Yes? अमन, स्टडी ऑफ कंपाउंड्स बोरिंग नहीं है बच्चा. इट इज नॉट एट ऑल बोरिंग. ओके, द थिंग इज दैट कि आपने ठीक से उसको पढ़ा नहीं है. यस, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. योर ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, योर स्टडी ऑफ कंपाउंड्स, एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. स्पेशली इन केमिस्ट्री आई फील एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. चलो, so let's try to draw this structure. So I told you always pay attention to the root word. Okay, root word पे सबसे पहले फोकस जाना चाहिए आप लोगों का. So here prop is the root word. So 3 carbon atom झट से बना देना है. Then you can see your primary suffix. This is your root word. This part is your root word. हाँ, so root word हमने बना दिया. Then this is your primary suffix. Primary suffix हमेशा bonds के लिए होता है. Yes or no? मैंने बताया काफी बार. प्राइमरी सफिक्स आपका हमेशा बॉन्ड्स के लिए होता है. यू कैन सी प्राइमरी सफिक्स इज एन, ए एन एन. दैट मीन्स कौन से बॉन्ड होने चाहिए? सिंगल बॉन्ड. या देन सेकेंडरी सफिक्स की बात करते हैं. सेकेंडरी सफिक्स हमेशा फंक्शनल ग्रुप के लिए होता है. सो सेकेंडरी सफिक्स में है एल. दैट मीन्स कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? एल्डिहाइड है, बिकॉज एल्डिहाइड का ही सफिक्स हम एल यूज करते हैं. तो अब हमारा कंपाउंड बन गया. वेरी इजी. डबल बॉन्ड ओ एच, दिस इज योर एल्डिहाइड. एंड बाकी कार्बन के साथ हाइड्रोजन लगा दो उनकी वैलेंसी को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. तो बन गया आपका प्रोपेनॉल का स्ट्रक्चर. क्लियर? ओके अमन. यस, आईयूपीएससी नेम्स तो है ही कमाल के. चलो, आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. ठीक है, क्लियर है सबको? आई होप कि बहुत इजी लग रहा होगा ऐसा क्वेश्चन देख के. यस, ओके. नेक्स्ट क्या था हमारा? नेक्स्ट था हमारा एथेनोइक एसिड. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एथेनोइक एसिड. चलो ड्रॉ करते हैं एथेनोइक एसिड को. ओके अश्लेषा, वेरी गुड. चलो ड्रॉ करना है हमें एथेनोइक एसिड. लेट्स ड्रॉ इट. सो मैंने क्या कहा? पहले रूट वर्ड देखो. रूट वर्ड क्या है यहाँ पे हमारा? एथ. तो 2 कार्बन बना दो. प्राइमरी सफिक्स है एन, मतलब दोनों कार्बन के बीच में है आपका सिंगल बॉन्ड. एंड आपका सेकेंडरी सफिक्स क्या है? ओइक एसिड, मतलब कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है? कार्बोक्सिलिक है. सिंपल. तो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड ओ और ओ एच बन गया आपका कार्बोक्सिलिक. बाकी कार्बन का वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई कर दो हाइड्रोजन से. सो नाउ योर एथेनोइक एसिड इज रेडी. यस, ओके अमन. अच्छा, सो आप लोग सब मुझसे यही पढ़ लो यूट्यूब पे, ज्यादा मजा आएगा, है ना? सो नेक्स्ट इज योर 1,2 डाइक्लोरोइथेन. लेट्स ड्रॉ दैट. 1,2 डाइक्लोरोइथेन. सो अभी तक हमने जो भी 2 स्ट्रक्चर बनाए थे उसमें कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट नहीं था, बट अभी हमारे पास सब्स्टिट्यूएंट भी है और उसकी पोजीशन भी मेंशन की गई है. So we need to draw the acids lectures. Okay. चलो, let's try to draw it. Everyone, please pay attention. सबसे पहले मैंने कहा रूट वर्ड पे जाओ. सो रूट वर्ड हमारा है एथ. सो चलो 2 कार्बन ड्रॉ कर दिया. प्राइमरी सफिक्स है एन, मतलब कार्बन के बीच में है आपका सिंगल बॉन्ड. या ओके, कहाँ चला गया? अरे यार, शायद ओके, ये आई थिंक इट गॉट डिलीटेड. चलो लेट ड्रॉ इट वंस मोर टाइम. 1,2 डाइक्लोरोइथेन. सो पहले रूट वर्ड देखा, डबल कार्बन कार्बन. एथ इज फॉर 2 कार्बन, 2 कार्बन. एंड एन जो है हमारा प्राइमरी सफिक्स है, सो सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा कार्बन के बीच में. देन एट फर्स्ट पोजीशन और सेकंड पोजीशन में 2 क्लोरीन एटम्स है. यस, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड पोजीशन पे 2 क्लोरीन है. लेट्स ड्रॉ 2 क्लोरीन्स. बाकी बचे हुए वैलेंसी को किससे सेटिस्फाई करना है? हाइड्रोजन से. इस कार्बन की 2 वैलेंसी कंप्लीट है, सो बाकी 2 हाइड्रोजन से सेटिस्फाई होंगे। इस कार्बन की भी 2 वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाइड है, बाकी 2 हाइड्रोजन से सेटिस्फाई होंगे। बन गया आपका 1,2 डाइक्लोरोइथेन। क्लियर? अगर हम इसे नंबरिंग करें तो सी फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे भी क्लोरीन, सेकंड पोजीशन पे भी क्लोरीन। या yes, Aman, your SST, your English, all these lectures will also get started on this channel, especially computer. Okay, okay, okay. Don't worry. Lectures जरूर start होंगे बाकी subjects के भी. For now, please enjoy your sessions with your maths and science educators. Okay? चलो. So let's try to answer next question. So section B का इस part का हमारा सारा question complete हो गया या? Now we want to have next question, that is your this one. You have to complete and balance the following equation. Okay, complete and balance the following equation. Chalo. So your C2H6 is reacting with oxygen. So what is the balanced chemical equation of this particular reaction? Please try to answer it, everyone. Yes, and everyone please try to answer in the class ताकि आप लोगों को पता चले कि where you are lagging, which part you need to prepare well. Okay, चलो. So let's try to answer this question, everyone. So all of you, one thing that you can all join me on Unacademy app as well. Okay, अगर very good Alicia, very good. So yes, C2H6 we have, and then we have oxygen. It produces carbon dioxide and water vapor. Very good, Alicia. It's 2 here and 7 will be here, 4 here and 6 here. This is the complete chemical reaction of your ethane with oxygen. This is your combustion of your ethane. Clear? Okay. And see, one thing I would like to tell you that you can join me on Unacademy app also on special classes. So, अगर आपको इतना enjoyment यहाँ हो रहा है, so you can imagine how much you will enjoy the classes on special class. Okay, that is absolutely free. You have to just means download the app, Unacademy app, and you can search. You can use my code Manisha Live to unlock all the special classes for free, and then you can search my name Manisha Kumari. Then you can follow me also on Unacademy app, and you can join me over there also. Yes, Aman, sure. I will explain you isomerism. Is it clear? Please tell me now first if it is clear. Yeah, then I will come to your doubt. Okay. ठीक है? चलो, let's try to understand what is isomerism. So Aman's doubt is there that what is isomerism. Isomerism is nothing but a compound, you can say a compound, two or more compounds, okay, two or more compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. ओके, मतलब मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला तो सेम है लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर में डिफरेंस है. वो डिफरेंस आपके चेन में भी हो सकता है. दैट डिफरेंस कैन बी इन द पोजीशन ऑफ बॉन्ड्स ऑल्सो, पोजीशन ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स ऑल्सो. क्लियर? सो ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को हम एक दूसरे के आइसोमर्स बोलेंगे. ओके, वी कॉल सच कंपाउंड्स एज आइसोमर्स ऑफ ईच अदर which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. Okay, now let me show you an example of the same. For suppose we have compound like this and we have a compound like this. You can see in case of A and B, A में भी आपके 4 कार्बन्स है and 10 हाइड्रोजन्स है and B का भी 4 कार्बन and 10 हाइड्रोजन है. That means A और B में जो आपको दो कंपाउंड्स दिख रहे हैं उनका मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला सेम है C4H10, लेकिन उनका आपका जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो डिफरेंट है और इस वजह से उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज भी डिफरेंट हो जाएंगी, उनका नाम भी डिफरेंट हो जाएगा, आईयूपीएसी नेम भी डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो इसका आईयूपीएसी, इस बंदे का आईयूपीएसी नेम होगा ब्यूटेन, सिर्फ ब्यूटेन, सिंपल. इस बंदे का आईयूपीएसी नेम होगा 1 2 3, so 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन. क्लियर. सो आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर आपका नाम तो चेंज हो ही रहा है, साथ ही साथ आपकी प्रॉपर्टीज भी चेंज होंगे. ब्यूटेन और 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन की प्रॉपर्टीज एक जैसी नहीं होंगी, बट स्टिल दे हैव सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला. ऐसे कंपाउंड्स को हम एक दूसरे का आइसोमर बोलेंगे. क्लियर. Yes, aspirants, now I'm using Hindi as well because so many students were asking me to explain in Hindi also. That's why I am using the mix of the languages. Okay. So if you are comfortable in English, I am explaining in English as well. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I can explain in Hindi. Okay. All of you can see this. Okay. Isomers of butane. Yes, Rahul, of course, isomer of butane I'm giving you. See, if you have like this, where the double bond is here, ठीक है, and then you have like this. So you can see 1 2 3 4 4 कार्बन्स, 2 2 4 3 7 और एक 8 हाइड्रोजन. Here also 4 कार्बन्स, 3 3 6 2 8 हाइड्रोजन्स. सो सेम मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है, लेकिन देख लो डबल बॉन्ड का पोजीशन डिफरेंट है. If you want to number it, it will be 1 2 3 4. So it will be but 1-ene, or you can write it butene also. And this is but. If you want to number it, it will be 1 2 3 4. So but 2-ene. So यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड की पोजीशन में डिफरेंस है, मतलब स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला डिफरेंट है, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला अगेन सेम है. सो दीज टू आर अगेन द आइसोमर्स. ये भी आइसोमर्स हैं. कैसे आइसोमर्स है? पोजीशन आइसोमर्स है. क्यों पोजीशन आइसोमर्स है? क्योंकि यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड का पोजीशन डिफरेंट है. यस. Then okay, you are telling me isomers of butene, so I just gave you an example of the position isomers. What you are telling me, Rahul? No, it is not chain isomer. Aman, butene का जो isomers मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया है, it is not chain isomer. Okay, it is position isomer, क्योंकि यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड के पोजीशन में डिफरेंस है ना. चेन आइसोमर्स ये था आपका चेन आइसोमर्स. ब्यूटेन एंड 2 मिथाइल प्रोपेन वेर द चेन आइसोमर्स ऑफ ब्यूटेन. क्लियर. क्योंकि चेन में डिफरेंस था. ये आपका स्ट्रेट चेन था, ये आपका ब्रांच था. इसमें ब्रांचिंग थी, इसमें स्ट्रेट चेन था, इसमें कोई ब्रांचेस नहीं थे. क्लियर. फर्स्ट वन वाज, दिस वन इज चेन isomers and this one is position isomers. Clear. Rahul, what you are telling me ना, that is your chain isomerism. या अगर मैं इस तरह से बना रही हूं 2 मिथाइल प्रोपीन, okay, like this 2 मिथाइल प्रोपीन, you are telling this one 3, so 2 1 1 2, sorry, very sorry, 1 2, then we have here 2 hydrogens, 1 2 3 4, 2 hydrogens, so 3 2 6 2 8. This is also C4H8, but this will be again your chain isomer. Clear, Rahul? This is not your position isomer because the difference is in the chain, no? ठीक है. This will be the 2 methyl propene will be the chain isomer of your butene and but2-ene. Clear? Yeah. So I hope it is clear. Which one you telling me? Okay, very okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes. So this is your chain isomer of butene and but2-ene. Okay, position isomers means where there is a difference of the position. Yeah, 2 methyl propene is a chain isomer of butene. Clear? I hope it is clear. You are telling me, okay, isomers of propene. Aman, same way. जैसा आपका ब्यूटीन का isomers है, similarly you will have the isomers of propene. Okay? Clear, everyone? Just let me know if it is clear to you. Yeah, everyone? Okay. Okay, Rahul is telling propene का होता ही नहीं. Yes, Rahul, you are absolutely correct, because if you want to draw the isomers of propene like this is your propene, yeah. So either you can put the bond of 1 2 3 1. Okay. So either you can put the bond on this carbon, or you can put the bond on this carbon. Yes, 3 and 2, 1 2, and here you can see 1 2 3. So here also 1. Yeah. So you can see in both the cases it will be your prop 1 in only. Yeah, in the both the cases you can see here it is prop 1 in only. Yeah. So you cannot have the isomers of propene. Isomers सीधा ब्यूटेन से स्टार्ट होते हैं. इथेन, प्रोपेन, मीथेन और इथीन, प्रोपीन, इथाइन, प्रोपाइन, all these do not have isomers. Okay. Clear everyone? Is it clear? Because propene क्या कैसे isomers you will draw? Because wherever you put the double bond, it will always be at the first position only. Yeah. So either case you will find the double bond at first position. So it is not possible to have your isomer of propene. We always have isomers from butane, butene and all. Clear? Tell me fast if it is clear to you, Aman and Rahul. Okay, Rahul was telling only that propene का होता ही नहीं है. It's good. So Aman, is it clear to you? Tell me fast if you are there in the class. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone in the class. So you are getting one more chance to appear for this Unacademy Prodigy test. So do appear for this on 27th of Feb at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. and enroll yourself now using my code Manisha Live. Okay. So please do appear for this test, because there are so many chances of, if you are the highest scorer, you get a chance to win prizes up to 10 crore rupees. Okay. Chalo. And these are the ongoing batches which you can join certainly for class 10, that is champions batch. Again, your India's top educators are teaching on this platform. And then we have your ICSE class 10 Uran batch, in where your teaching is in Hindi, and with a single subscription you can go for all these batches. Okay. So you can join the Unacademy app, you can join the special classes and have a look like how your classes actually happen. Okay. So you can get in contact with the person on this number, and you can solve all your queries about your Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay. So I hope the session was amazing for all of you. Yeah. Just let me know if you are there in the class. So I hope the session was good, amazing, and you all liked it. Okay, Vishal, very good. So thank you everyone for watching the session live. So please do subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I go live, you get the notification. And thank you everyone once again. Good night and take care. We will meet again tomorrow at 8 p.m. Okay, bye.